I think humanoid robots will be the biggest product ever. The demand will be insatiable.
You've said that.
Everyone's going to want one. It's like, basically, who wouldn't want their own personal C-3PO R2-D2?
When the most valuable automotive manufacturer announces plans to mass-produce humanoid robots cheaper than economy cars, every competing robotics program suddenly faces obsolescence. Tesla just declared its Optimus humanoid will retail between $20,000 and $30,000 when production scales, potentially dropping as low as $10,000 at maximum manufacturing efficiency. That's not incremental improvement over existing robots. That's category destruction. While competitors charge six figures for platforms still confined to research laboratories, Tesla's preparing assembly lines capable of producing millions of units annually. Today, we're breaking down exactly how Tesla's pricing strategy threatens to dominate the global humanoid robotics market, what this means for competing manufacturers, and why. This might represent the most significant industrial shift since automotive mass production began. Let's examine the economics. The pricing disruption. Elon Musk has consistently targeted Optimus pricing between $20,000 and $30,000 once mass production begins, with manufacturing.
So in order to have the robot not cost like hundreds of thousands of dollars, in order to make it cost like $10,000 or $20,000,
cost goals around $20,000 per unit. Context matters here. Competing humanoid robots from Figure AI and Agility Robotics command price tags exceeding $100,000, while Boston Dynamics Atlas remains unavailable for commercial sale, existing purely as research platform. Tesla's executive team set an ambitious $20,000 target specifically designed to shatter existing market pricing and achieve unprecedented accessibility scale. This isn't aspirational marketing, it's strategic industrial warfare. By positioning Optimus at approximately 1/5 the cost of established competitors, Tesla aims to render alternative platforms economically irrelevant before they achieve production scale. The mathematical reality becomes stark when examining total addressable markets. Barclays analysts estimate current humanoid robot markets between $2 billion and $3 billion, projecting growth to at least $40 billion by 2035. At competitor pricing, that $40 billion market represents approximately 400,000 units. At Tesla's $20,000 target, 2 million units. Entirely different market dynamics. But pricing alone doesn't guarantee market dominance. Production capacity determines actual impact. And Tesla's manufacturing ambitions dwarf anything attempted in robotics history. The production ramp strategy. Elon Musk confirmed Tesla aims for what he considers the fastest production ramp of any complex product in history. The deployment timeline reveals industrial ambition typically reserved for consumer electronics, not sophisticated robotics. Tesla plans deploying 1,000 to 2,000 Optimus units in its own factories by end of 2025. Internal testing ground validating both hardware reliability and manufacturing processes. Public sale targets late 2027, following years of internal refinement. If plans proceed as projected, Tesla will produce more Optimus units than vehicles within 5 years. That statement deserves emphasis. Tesla currently manufactures approximately 1.8 million vehicles annually. Matching that production volume with humanoid robots within 5 years would represent the most dramatic industrial scaling in robotics history, eclipsing combined global humanoid production by orders of magnitude. Tesla's aggressive timeline becomes viable because the company already spent a decade solving approximately 80% of robotics challenges through autonomous vehicle development. Optimus leverages Tesla's existing proven technologies, actuators, power electronics, batteries, audio systems for hardware, cameras and AI chips for perception and processing. The same full self-driving AI infrastructure, computer vision systems, and neural network training developed for vehicles transfers directly to humanoid applications. This technology reuse dramatically accelerates development while reducing costs. Competitors building humanoid robots from scratch face complete hardware and software development cycles. Tesla's effectively amortizing massive R&D investments across both automotive and robotics product lines. However, market reality presents complications Tesla's timeline doesn't fully acknowledge. Tesla's structural advantages. Tesla's vision-based perception approach relies on cameras and neural networks rather than expensive LiDAR sensors, significantly reducing hardware costs. This architectural decision reflects lessons from autonomous vehicle development, where Tesla bet against industry consensus favoring LiDAR, instead developing camera-only systems through massive training data accumulation. Whether that bet ultimately proves correct for humanoid robotics remains unresolved. LiDAR provides precise spatial measurement competitors argue remains essential for complex manipulation tasks. Tesla's camera-only approach demands vastly more sophisticated AI processing, compensating for sensor limitations. Success requires Tesla's neural networks achieving human-like environmental understanding from visual data alone. Extraordinarily difficult challenge. However, if successful, the cost advantages compound dramatically. LiDAR systems add thousands of dollars per unit. Vision-only approaches require cameras costing hundreds of dollars plus computational infrastructure Tesla already developed for automotive applications. At million-unit production scales, these per-unit cost differences determine market viability. Manufacturing expertise, data communication infrastructure, neural network training capabilities, and simulation environments Tesla developed for automotive production transfer directly to robotics applications. No competing robotics startup possesses equivalent manufacturing scale, AI development resources, or production experience. This creates strategic moat competitors cannot easily breach. Building humanoid robots at laboratory scale differs categorically from manufacturing millions of units annually at consumer price points. Tesla's decade mastering automotive mass production while simultaneously advancing AI capabilities positions them uniquely for humanoid robotics industrialization. But unique positioning doesn't guarantee market success. Execution determines outcomes. The capability question. Optimus demonstrates walking, self-calibrating limbs, positioning into various poses including single-leg balance. Tesla has shown Optimus lifting objects, sorting factory components, and performing choreographed movements. Musk stated at Davos that once reliability and safety reach sufficient levels, users can ask Optimus to perform any desired task, including watching children, caring for pets, and supporting elderly parents. However, following Tesla's 2024 We Robot event, Bloomberg reported robots seen interacting with guests, bartending, and playing games were actually remotely operated by humans, citing sources familiar with the matter. This raises critical questions about current autonomous capability versus demonstration theatre. The robot remains in R&D phases, not yet performing meaningful work even in Tesla's own factories. Gap between demonstrated capabilities and Musk's vision of general-purpose household assistance remains substantial. Walking, basic object manipulation, and scripted task sequences represent early development milestones, not the sophisticated autonomous operation required for unsupervised domestic deployment. Experts remain skeptical, citing ongoing challenges in balance, manipulation precision, and power efficiency. Every robotics program confronts identical fundamental obstacles: reliable bipedal locomotion across varied terrain, dexterous manipulation of diverse objects, long duration, battery operation, and most critically, robust autonomous decision-making in unstructured environments. Tesla's automotive AI tackles structured environments, roads with defined rules, predictable actor behavior, limited interaction modes. Household environments present exponentially greater complexity. Objects with infinite variety, tasks requiring nuanced judgment, social interactions demanding contextual understanding, safety-critical scenarios involving children and elderly. Individuals. Whether Tesla's AI development trajectory successfully extends from driving to general household robotics remains the fundamental open question determining Optimus' viability. The market implications. If Tesla executes its production and pricing targets, consequences ripple across global robotics industries. $20,000 general-purpose humanoids collapse economic barriers, preventing mass adoption. Musk predicts Optimus robots becoming as common as smartphones, with everyone on Earth eventually owning one, stating there will be more robots than people. That vision requires multiple assumptions proving correct simultaneously. Tesla achieving projected manufacturing costs at scale. Optimus delivering genuine autonomous. Capability justifying purchase prices. Consumer demand materializing at predicted volumes. Regulatory frameworks permitting widespread deployment. Several acquisition approaches may emerge as markets mature. Outright purchase, equipment leasing with monthly payments around $1,000 to $2,000 over 3-year terms, or subscription services including hardware, software, maintenance, and upgrades. Tesla could offer Optimus through service agreements similar to energy products, though no official indication of such plans exists. Business model structure significantly impacts actual market accessibility and total ownership economics. $20,000 purchase price with $3,000 annual software subscriptions creates very different adoption dynamics than subscription-only models or lease. Arrangements. For competing manufacturers, Tesla's pricing announcement forces strategic recalculation. Continuing development of $100,000 platforms becomes economically untenable if Tesla successfully delivers equivalent capability at 1/5 the cost. Either competitors must dramatically reduce manufacturing costs, requiring production scale they haven't achieved, or differentiate through superior capability, justifying price. Premiums. Chinese manufacturers like Unitree, already shipping volume at competitive price points, possess timing advantages potentially insurmountable despite Tesla's eventual superior. Resources. Market leadership established during Tesla's development phases may prove difficult displacing. Tesla's Optimus represents either the beginning of humanoid robotics mass adoption or another ambitious Musk timeline requiring significant adjustment. The $20,000 to $30,000 target pricing, if achieved, fundamentally disrupts existing market economics. The planned production ramp, if executed, eclipses all competing programs combined. The capability promises, if delivered, justify household deployment. 3 substantial ifs determine whether Optimus transforms global labor markets or joins the list of over-promotional technology predictions. 2027 timeline provides approximately 18 months for clarity. Meanwhile, Chinese competitors ship production units, accumulating real-world deployment experience Tesla lacks. The robotics race isn't won by first announcements, it's won by first successful deployments at scale. Whether Tesla's automotive manufacturing expertise and AI development resources prove sufficient for humanoid robotics industrialization remains the defining question for this decade's technology landscape. One certainty exists. If Tesla executes even partially on stated ambitions, every competing robotics program faces existential pressure adapting or perishing. The global dollar market for humanoid robots won't accommodate $100,000 platforms once $20,000 alternatives demonstrate equivalent capability. Place your bets accordingly. Drop comments below. Does Tesla's timeline seem credible, or does this represent another overambitious Musk projection? And if you're tracking robotics industry developments, subscribe because the next 18 months will determine which companies dominate the humanoid robot future and which become cautionary tales about missing market timing. The race is on.